On a spiritual level, the Hanged Man marks the contemplation stage, during which the initiate should let go of earthly desires in order to reach enlightenment. His hands hidden behind his back mean hands off. This is no time for action. Him hanging upside down means he is now the puppet of higher forces, but it doesn't have to be all bad. Upright, this card calls for letting go of something or someone. Some heavy baggage is weighing you down, and it's time to relieve yourself from it. It can also mean that some situation in life is up in the air, suspended, and frozen in an unresolved state. The best advice would be to change perspective, see it from a different angle. Sometimes it means that there's a strong urge to let loose, but not being allowed or able to because it's not possible or appropriate. Therefore, the Hanged Man is also about restriction and even sacrifice, like having to put something on ice to take care of something or someone else, or having to sacrifice your desires and urges for the greater good, or in the name of reason. Whatever it is, it's worth it, as it's likely to be positive, like giving up on certain types of food for the sake of a healthier lifestyle. In love, if the person is single, the Hanged Man upright can mean that the love prospects do not live up to their standards, so better wait as long as it takes for the right one. Or it could predict an upcoming relationship that will require total commitment or giving up an old way of doing things. You'll have to let go of something or change the direction of your life to be with someone. In established relationships, the partner needs a lot of devotion, and some change or transition is happening where one or both partners need to give up on their own ego for the sake of the union. Sometimes it indicates a union based on duty, loyalty, or honor, like settling for a stable, responsible, and safe partner rather than for love. At work, responsibility and duty supersedes fun and personal life, so nose down for now. Or your job may put you in a situation where you'll have to give up on something for the sake of an opportunity, like being offered a job away from home, family, or lover. In business, no time for action. Projects are on hold until further notice. In health, the Hanged Man is not the best card to get. Even upright, it calls for necessary time out and rest, be it voluntary or forced, like having to quarantine, or being immobilized because of some injury. Best case scenario, it just means you need to rest until you get better, like being burnt out or going through a difficult pregnancy that requires to stop working. Or you'll be asked to give up certain things for the sake of your health, like go on diet or start fasting. The timing with the Hanged Man is very difficult to pin down. It's pretty much TBD, to be determined. Reversed, the Hanged Man usually shows up in difficult phases of life, announcing unexpected challenges and complications. There's always some blockage and a feeling of being stuck, usually because of the past or just out of indecision. This inaction leads to delays, projects being put on ice, and a feeling that the clock of life is broken. It's like Groundhog Day, i.e., being trapped in a time loop, either caused by external influences or by the inquirer's own fear or laziness. Best advice is let go, let flow. At work or business, it means things that are out of one's control are delaying or blocking projects, and nothing can be done to move forward. Conversely, it may mean that the inquirer is clinging to a bad job or deal that is taking them nowhere, in which case they need to cut their losses now and leave ASAP. Sometimes it means work or business forces unpleasant sacrifices that will not necessarily be worth it. So if you're giving up on something or someone precious to you, you might regret it later. The Hanged Man reversed is also about martyrdom, especially in love, when the person is obstinate to remain in a relationship that is clearly bad for them, or stuck against their will in a union where they have to sacrifice everything for the partner, like being forced into marriage in the name of honor, having to play nurse for an ill partner, having to sacrifice life dreams for marriage, or being forced to move away to follow the spouse. In some cases, life circumstances can forcefully separate a happy couple, and no one can tell for how long. Other times, it means being too clingy or being stuck on an ex and unwilling or unable to move on, in which case this card says you're delulu and need to get a grip ASAP, as they're not coming back. Singles may be addicted to rejection, be obsessive stalkers, or just facing a period of involuntary celibacy due to complete absence of new opportunities, like being bound to a location or situation where you can't date freely for some reason. Health-wise, the Hanged Man reversed can show anxiety, and in worst cases, nervous shutdowns, being in a frozen response state, suffering from numbness and dulled emotions.